Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna unpack this. Yes, it's brand new. Ooh. iPhone 13 Sierra Blue. And we're gonna unpack this in a second, just so you can see what's in the package. It's pretty just the iPhone and the cable, but of course the first, how it looks like, and you can imagine that you're unpacking this. So I went for blue because why not? No, it looks really good. So let's do it. Okay, so to start off, obviously the box is a little bit different. I mean, I haven't bought a new iPhone for a while, so excuse my surprise to that, but box is very thin, and it's I don't know if it's big, heavier, but it's different. And it's all black, so we went from white to black. Okay, all right, let's open this carefully. It's beautiful, isn't it? Honestly, it's just beautiful. So yeah, cover, and I do from any angle that you touch it, it's gonna have your fingerprint on it. So, but this is kind of normal. This is basically what happens. And honestly, I'm kind of thinking I'm not even gonna put a cover on it, because it seems like, it's definitely heavy and sturdy, and it's kind of I don't want to say undestroyable, but it seems quite, it's gonna last. That's what I would say. And I really like this design, going back to rougher shapes, not so rounded like Android. Bleh. Okay, and of course you have a charging cable, so USB-C. You don't have an adapter going to the electricity, and of course you have the sticker as usual, which I'm not gonna use, but it's nice. Thank you. Okay, so as you've seen, I'm pretty happy about this. This looks really, really nice. And I like that it went back to this, the kind of shape and the design of the iPhone 4. If you had iPhone 4, comment below this video. I want to know who got iPhone 4. And I also got iPhone 3. Ha! Okay, so basically now I'm going to show you a couple of pictures that I took with this phone. I just, I've tested all three lenses, the macro lens, the super wide, and then wide, and all the zoom and telephoto lens. And pretty much it's amazing. So I'm going to show you a couple of pictures, as you can see right now as well. And videos, I'm going to take videos with this phone, but I'll make another video just for the videos, because I'm a videographer. So I want to do all the slow motion video, low light, and any kind of conditions, and trying cinematic mode as well, and all the lenses as well. So this will be the separate video. So I'm going to make this very, very soon. So do subscribe to my channel so you don't miss on that video. And for now, you can see the pictures, which I believe they're quite really good quality. I just love the phone, the quality of the photography, and basically, as I mentioned 100 times before, I really like the new design. And I didn't go max, because max is just super huge, and I think this size is really handy in general. So pretty much I'm very happy about it, and I like this blue. So I switched from red to blue, and because obviously there's no red version for iPhone 13 Pro, so I had to change the color. But you know what? It's the new era. It's something different. I do have a new haircut as well. Summer. So I like it. And let me know if you have this as well, or you want to buy it. and let me know in the comments how you like it, or if you have any questions about it. You can just let me know. I'm gonna answer all of it. But subscribe to this channel because I'm gonna make this video where I'm presenting cinematic mode, all the lenses, super slow motion, and it's gonna be like the whole video just dedicated of how good is the actual footage. And with iPhone 13 Pro, you can film in ProRes. What? It's like such a high quality footage. It's, oh my God, I'm over the moon. Okay, let me know what you think, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.